Welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. So now we are going to discuss about Alog Industries. So just let us have a look into the target. In the long run, this will be a multi-bagger. This can give around five times return. It will give you for five times return. It will give you in 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 years, this will give you around five times return. Currently it is trading around 20.50, I think. 20.50, so this can cross 100. So let us go into the details. So everyone knows that Alog Industries was taken over by Reliance Industries Limited. So after that, there is heavy consolidation is happening right now between around 22 24 level. There is heavy consolidation is happening. So after, we don't know when the breakout will happen. For sure there will be a breakout, because last quarter also there was result also was there good. And also the recent budget also supporting to the textile industries. So anytime the breakout will happen. So once the breakout happen means surely it will cross around 55 58 range. The earlier high range it will cross, then it will reach to 100. So the short time we cannot say any target, because even the consolidation may take another one more month. So we don't know that. So but surely this will once the breakout happen at this point between around the 20 to 24 level, it will reach 58. Then it will reach to 100 within 2 to 4 years. So we will go into the details of this company. Let us have a look into the company. What company is doing? Company is mainly they are doing shopping bags, handbags, apparel fabric, woolen fabric, knitted fabric, corrugated pallets, cotton and blended yarns, abro, embroidery, and also garments woven, knitted, home textile, bed linen, polyester, product brochure. All this related to the textile industry, all the products they are making, one of the major manufacturer. Right now it's under Reliance umbrella. So let us have a look into the company's details. So let us see here, Alog Industries trading at 20.15, and also the average volume traded is around 8,000. Yeah, yeah, 88,000 average volume is getting traded. So last trading volume was around 73 lakhs, and you can see the opening at 20.30, and average trading price is also same, and the market capitalization is around 10,000 crore, and book value per share is 1, and sorry, book value per share is 20 minus 24.23, and face value per share is 1. So even though no need to worry about this. Last time also I told you there is heavy consolidation is happening at this point. You can see here, almost it started since August. Till now the consolidation is happening, almost 5 months the consolidation is happening. Anytime the breakout will happen, as I told you, this will cross 58. The earlier high was around 58 was there, this will cross 58. So we don't know whether it will take 3 months or 4 months, but sure this will happen. So let us have into this thing. Let the result of the company, the last two quarter result, let us see. You can see here the company's result got changed in last two quarter. You can see September this was given around 820 crore, and December it given 1213 crore, and you can see the marginal profit. This actually this minus 9,000 was after taken over by Reliance. So just forget about this bad debit and all these things, they are adjusted here. After that the company was generated profit in September, and currently it is generated, the last quarter it generated minus 34. So surely this quarter the company is on, company will generate a good profit. After that the breakout will happen for sure. So let us hope for the best. This will be a multi-bagger, and the target will be around 100 for 2 to 3 years. Thank you very much. If you didn't subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.